Hi, I'm Roxanne. Did you know that 1 in 8 women will be diagnosed with breast cancer in her lifetime? Every 2 minutes, one case of breast cancer is diagnosed within the United States. Breast cancer is unacceptable. Therefore, I am partnering with the Susan G. Komen Breast Cancer Foundation and sponsoring an online fundraiser. The Komen Foundation assists with providing funds for additional research. They provide screenings for those who may not otherwise have access, and they help support the 3.5 million breast cancer survivors within the United States. I'm sponsoring this fundraiser in memory and in honor of my mother, Neota Louise Reed, who lost her life to breast cancer far too young. Will you stand with me and help support the Komen Foundation by making a donation of any amount? Remember, every dollar counts. Again, breast cancer is unacceptable. We are more than pink. So will you stand with me and make a donation today to help support the Susan G. Komen Breast Cancer Foundation, and maybe we can eradicate breast cancer in the future. Thank you.